Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. First up, Jamaica has more than 30 first-time Olympians in its team in Paris, France, but the youthful and relatively inexperienced nature of the team is not reflected in the medal expectations. Jordan Fort reports.
In sport, you often hear the term changing of the guard. But as cliché as that term may be, it seems to ring true for Jamaica's team in Paris, which is littered with first-time Olympians. Even for someone as experienced as two-time world champion Danielle Williams, there is still intrigue in stepping into her first Olympics.
I mean, it is just another race, the 100-meter hurdles that I've ran countless times. I haven't been into the Olympic Stadium before, so I really don't know how it will feel. But I expect that it will be heightened, the emotions will be heightened, but you know, I am a seasoned campaigner and I know how to keep my emotions in check and compartmentalize. And so I figure that, you know, once I get the first round out of the way, it should flow as any other race.
For others like junior Alana Reid, it's an opportunity to get her chance at the highest level while preparing for the World Under-20 Championships.
What my goal for World Juniors is to run a personal best again and to also come on top for my country. I know that beside me I'll have Tiana or whoever else is selected for the team, but it's just for us to stay focused, for me to stay focused. I will use this basically as my Olympics, mainly because I'll be doing an individual event. And last year, 2 years ago when I ran with Brianna in the 200, I came third. Now this year I'm only focusing on the 100, so it's just for me to come out here and, you know, try to get a title for myself. And yeah, I'm going to use this Olympic experience as something to push me and to know that if I can come here and, you know, be on this team, then I can go there and be greater.
400-meter specialist Zandrian Barnes, who is set to feature in the mixed 4x400 meter relay, is also looking to use this as a launching pad. But the 22-year-old could not hide his disappointment at the men's team's failure to qualify for the 4x4, despite several attempts being made, including a change to the national trials schedule.
I mean, a disappointment in the 4x4. I mean, it's very disappointing because, I mean, you know that they literally like change the competition like 2 rounds and give us a day rest. So, I mean, we totally defeated the purpose of the 2 rounds, so might as well just keep the 3 rounds as well. But I mean, separate apart from that, I'm given the chance to be here to participate in the mixed relay, so I got to put that aside, you know, and focus on the mixed relay. You know, we can stand a chance in medaling.
And speaking of launching pads, 27-year-old triple jumper Jordan Scott is searching for ways his career can take off based on his performances in Paris.
I feel like there has been, you know, like there's some small things I definitely need to work on that has been nagging me all season, just trying to figure those things out. And I mean, I feel like in this event, it's a case of like, you know, one small thing will make a big difference. So I think once I finally dial those in, I'll be able to jump closer, if not exceed my personal best. I mean, so in all, I'm grateful for the consistency. And I think that just putting in the work before we get around to the start of my event, I think I should be in a good enough spot to go out there and, you know, give a good effort. So
36 of the 59 members of Jamaica's track and field team here in Paris are making their maiden appearance at the Games. Both swimmers Josh Curlew and Sabrina Lynn will also be making their Games debuts. Reporting from Paris, France, site of the Games of the 33rd Olympiad, I'm Jordan Fort for TVJ Sports.